BOLE was established in 2007. Our professionals and innovators have full technical knowledges and good cooperation and communication ability. With scientific and careful working process and long-term working experience, we can provide the best rapid prototypes since we clearly understand customers' product designing, developments, and manufacturing requirements. 5-axis machining. BOLE has 6 sets DMU65 plus DMU50 5-axis machines. 5-axis machining center was developed to make complex parts on one machine. 5-axis machining is ideal for producing complex workpieces with strict manufacturing requirements. Industries using 5-axis machining centers include 360-degree rotation ball, embossments, medical components, worm and gear, generator rotor, die and mold. BOLE has 60 set CNC machines, and the maximum size we can make is 2000 by 900 by 600 millimeters. The materials we can machine include various of plastics and metals. Injection molding. BOLE handle business in mold design and mold manufacture, injection molding, insert molding, unscrew molding, over molding, 3D printing. SLA is an additive manufacturing process through the UV laser scanning and rapid solidifying of the liquid photosensitive resin layer by layer to build up the 3D model. EDM is a manufacturing process whereby a desired shape is obtained by using electrical discharges. Material is removed from the workpiece by a series of rapidly recurring current discharges between 2 electrodes, separated by a dielectric liquid and subject to an electric voltage. Vacuum casting. This process is used to produce a short production run or duplicated products. Surface treatment. In order to achieve the prototypes as real parts as possible, BOLE could do the following surface finish: painting, gloss, matte, soft rubber, transparent, translucent, fluorescence colors, silkscreen printing, electroplating, laser engrave, sandblasting, UV vanish, anodizing, powder coating, hardened, passivation. Inspection. MM and YVM binary optics projector offer high-precision measurement capabilities for increasingly complex parts. Business scope. Our business scope included in the home appliances, transportation, medical equipment, quality, service, efficiency are BOLE's business vitality. Continuous innovation is BOLE's operation and management philosophy, which we serve the society and our customers. It greatly reduced the product development cost, timing, and risk, which win the great supports and trusts from our clients.